What is up, everybody? Tyler Fullerton here, personal trainer here in Arizona. Welcome to the Fullerton Nutrition Daily News. So with today, it is day 2 of cutting. So going from winter bulk to summer ready. So that's the plan for the day for the next 4 to 6 weeks. I'm going to stay eating the same way, but I will keep my calories the same because once I drop a couple pounds, I'm going to be in my maintenance calories. So when you guys are starting to lose weight, check and see how many calories you should be taking in. Do you have a certain amount of calorie goal for weight loss, weight gain, and for the weight maintain? So that's what's super important. Make sure you guys are tracking those calories. That is rule number 1. So what today was with the workouts was buys and tries. So I always do buys and tries on Wednesdays. That's the longest day, because remember, I'm not in the gym for any longer than 30 to 40 minutes. Most days it's like 20. So what today was buys and tries. So I superset everything because I literally hate working out. Who likes going to the gym, wasting time at the gym? Some people do. It's not a stress reliever for me. So when you own your own gym, that's what happens. But so what I did was we did preacher curls, dumbbell curls, just normal dumbbell curl, and then hammer dumbbell curls. So I superset all 3 exercises. What superset means is you don't take a break after each lift. You go straight into the next exercise. So I'm going 5 sets of 3 for these next couple months. 5 sets of 3, super heavy to really build up that strength. You can still build lean muscle mass while building up that strength. So what I did was 5 sets of 3. So you go preacher curl, you do 3 reps, heavy. You jump straight into dumbbell curl and then jump straight into the hammer curl. So 5 sets of 3. Once I was done with the 5 sets, went straight into the tricep exercises. So the tricep exercises, did all of these on the cable machines, grabbed one of the easy bar curl handles, and same thing, 5 sets of 3. I superset wide grip, close grip, and reverse grip tricep press downs. It's all about the angles, hitting different parts of the head on those triceps. So once I did the tries, I was done with all 3. Then what I did is 5, then I do drop sets. I do a drop set on each exercise that I did. So for instance, start back up on preacher curls. Go super heavy for 5 reps, drop about 20 to 30 pounds, and then did 10 reps. Dropped about another 10 to 15 pounds, and then did 15 reps. And then I do the same thing on dumbbell curls once I do all 3 sets, and then I go back to the hammer curls. And then to the triceps, all 3 exercises, and then that was it for the day. Remember, I'm not really doing cardio. You don't have to do cardio to lose weight. It's all about the nutrition and about those calories you're taking in. Remember, if you guys ever have questions, always join a live Q&A on Instagram or on TikTok. Coach Tyler Protein, all one word. Whatever questions you guys got, come and join a Q&A. There are no dumb questions. My whole goal is to help as many people as possible get that fat off the body as simple as possible. Remember, this is the Fullerton Nutrition Daily News. So let's talk about products. What products to take, what cleanses, what coffees, what teas to make you lose weight, because they're all over the place. Everyone's talking about them. All the network marketing companies out there. Hey, buy this product. I'm selling this. It's amazing. I lost a ton of weight doing it. No, you didn't. You guys, stop believing in the fat loss trends, the fat loss products, the teas, the detoxes, the ridiculous ketones. They're not going to make you lose weight. There is no product out there that is literally going to make your body start melting fat off. It all comes down to the nutrition. So yes, I own a protein company, a meal replacement protein company, True Meal. We are coming out with some true super greens to help people get in all of their antioxidants, a whole bunch of good superfoods that you just normally don't eat. But is that going to make you get results? No. It's going to help benefit your body and stuff like that. So don't buy into the cleanses. Don't buy into the detoxes. Your body naturally detoxes itself. You need to stop eating all of the garbage and your body will naturally detox itself out. So just know that with those products, is protein going to make you lose weight? Is it going to make you gain weight? No, it's just going to be proteins. Your body needs those proteins. Pre-workouts, love them. These are the supplements that I take. I take True Meal. It's the first meal of my day. I don't have to think about it. Who wants to make breakfast anyways in the morning? I do it before I go to the gym. So when I do it before I go to the gym, it's 50 grams of protein, high quality isolate whey. You got casein, protein in there, multivitamin, digestive enzymes. So that is what I drink before I go to the gym. And I will take a pre-workout. I like NutriBio Pre. That's the pre that I like. And this is why I always talk about doing a pre-workout instead of just doing plain coffee. Plain coffee, you're going to get a little bit of antioxidants and you are going to have a diuretic in coffee. Coffee's a natural diuretic, so is spinach. But the coffee's not going to have your beta alanine in there, which helps open up those blood vessels, helps blood flow and oxygenate the blood. So you have more blood forced into those muscles, tearing those muscles down so you can rebuild them. You got citrulline in there. When you mix citrulline with caffeine, you have a high energy, dense drink right there. It's just a combination of the two. And then you got a little bit of other amino acids in there and stimulants to help make you focus during that workout. So that is what I like to do before I go to the gym. And then when I'm at the gym, I will do a BCAA, branched chain amino acids. What those are is goes in and helps repair those muscles as you're breaking them down. Proteins are made up of amino acids. So that is what I take. And when I go to bed, I'll take a zinc, a magnesium, melatonin, and GABA. That is a great sleep aid that I love to do, and it knocks me out in like 10 to 15 minutes. So for all those people out there who are having a hard time going to sleep, busy minds, or constantly thinking about so much different stuff before they go to bed, that definitely helps bring it down and whatnot instead of having to take anything else. But like I said, don't think there's a product out there that's going to magically get you results. All right. Don't forget, all the stuff is on the website, fullertonnutrition.com. And on the new episode 2 of the Fullerton Nutrition Daily News, you can listen to it on your favorite podcast network. Just look up Fullerton Nutrition, or it's going to be on your YouTube as well. And maybe I'm going to start posting these on Instagram TV. So follow on Coach Tyler Protein. Remember, all the free workout programs, the step-by-step guide is on the website, fullertonnutrition.com. It is free. Don't hesitate. Jump straight into it. Remember your why, guys, and have an amazing day.